Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, your ultimate destination for creative architectural ideas and practical inspiration to transform small living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most exciting trends in modern architecture: small shipping container house design. Transforming a raw steel box into a functional, beautiful home is a brilliant mix of sustainability and modern engineering. But doing it right requires clever layout planning and smart exterior styling. In this video, we will break down what container living really means, the massive benefits of choosing a compact container design, and exact steps to elevate your exterior look. Plus, I will guide you through my top 10 best small shipping container house design ideas based on real-world inspiration to spark your imagination. Small shipping container house design is the architectural practice of repurposing standardized steel cargo containers, typically single or double 20-foot or 40-foot units, into fully functional, modern residential spaces. Instead of traditional stick-built framing, these structures leverage the rigid, modular steel shell of intermodal containers as both the structural load-bearing system and the defining aesthetic envelope. When scaled down to a small footprint, this approach focuses on smart space optimization, clever multifunctional furniture, and seamlessly blending rugged industrial materials with refined contemporary finishes. Choosing a small shipping container house design offers several significant advantages that extend far beyond their striking modern aesthetic. First and foremost, eco-conscious homeowners love the sustainability factor of upcycling heavy-duty steel structures that would otherwise sit unused in shipping yards, drastically reducing the demand for new traditional building materials. Structurally, these steel boxes are engineered to withstand extreme weather, oceanic salt air, and heavy loads, making them exceptionally durable, fire-resistant, and low-maintenance over time. Furthermore, their modular and prefabricated nature allows for remarkably fast construction schedules compared to conventional houses, often saving significant labor costs on site. Finally, their compact footprint naturally encourages a minimalist lifestyle, keeping utility bills low while providing a flexible, high-efficiency dwelling that can be easily expanded or modified down the road. Decorating the exterior of a small shipping container home to look sophisticated comes down to balancing the harsh industrial steel with warm, organic textures and smart spatial depth. To break up the repetitive corrugated metal, integrate high-contrast natural materials such as vertical cedar tongue-and-groove siding, horizontal timber slats, or composite wood paneling around entry points. Installing large full-height glass sliding doors or black-frame picture windows instantly softens the blocky profile, while inviting natural light indoors and establishing a strong connection to the surrounding landscape. Additionally, expanding your living area outward with expansive timber decking, floating staircases, glass balustrades, or wooden pergolas makes the tiny footprint feel significantly larger and far more luxurious. Finally, layer in exterior ambient lighting, such as warm wall sconces or underdeck LED strips, and flank the home with lush potted plants or climbing vines to anchor the structure gracefully into its natural environment. When it comes to aesthetic styles, small shipping container homes excel in contemporary and eco-focused architectural genres. The most popular choice is industrial modern, which embraces the raw corrugated steel panels painted in dark charcoal or matte black, paired with exposed steel beams, polished concrete bases, and sleek metal accents. Another ideal style is Scandinavian minimalist, which utilizes clean white or light gray finishes, extensive warm natural timber cladding, and massive open glass panels to maximize light and tranquility. For rural or natural settings, modern rustic or forest cabin styles work brilliantly by completely wrapping the container shell in rich timber cladding, topped with stone accents and rooftop gardens that blend seamlessly with trees and foliage. Lastly, modern cantilevered and stacked modular configurations allow creative builders to achieve high-end, geometric luxury looks that feel like modern art installations. Now, let's look at the top 10 best small shipping container house design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible designs ideas. One, the two-story wood-cladded container home with spiral staircase. This incredible design showcases a two-story container home featuring warm, horizontal light wood cladding on the top container, which contrasts beautifully with the rich terracotta red corrugated metal lower level. Large floor-to-ceiling black glass sliding doors open out onto a multi-level wraparound wooden deck, while a striking black metal spiral staircase leads to a spacious rooftop patio equipped with glass railings and outdoor lounge chairs. 2. The modern industrial deep blue container studio, featuring a single 40-foot container finished in a deep navy blue shade. This open concept layout utilizes full-length glass walls and sliding doors to flood the wood-paneled interior with ambient light. The exterior is expanded with a seamless low-profile wooden deck platform, accented by vibrant pops of color including bright orange mid-century modern seating and an integrated rooftop planter garden bursting with purple flora. 3. The wood-slatted privacy deck with rooftop terrace. This design seamlessly blends raw container architecture with luxury timber craftsmanship by wrapping the side walls with wide horizontal dark wood planks. The central double doors open into a bright white minimalist interior with custom kitchen cabinetry, while the ground deck is accented by white ceramic planters holding decorative grasses, leading up to an expansive upper rooftop lounge secured with sleek black cable railings. 4. The minimalist dark gray twin container cabin. Utilizing two parallel shipping containers finished in a uniform dark charcoal gray matte paint. This clean design focuses on subtle sophistication and functional layout. Panoramic glass sliding doors are placed in both sections to connect bedroom and living modules, while a raised black wooden deck fitted with a contemporary hanging wicker egg chair offers the ultimate outdoor relaxation zone. 5. The architectural Corten steel cantilever home. Pushing the boundaries of container architecture, this dramatic two-story structure features an upper module clad in dark mesh paneling that cantilevers boldly over the ground level. Wrapped in weathered Corten-style rust paneling with full-height glass glazing, an external industrial steel staircase accesses the glass-walled upper deck, perched atop a rugged natural stone retaining wall. 6. The modern matte black container cabin with open-end doors, showing how to maximize natural light. This single-unit 40-foot container is painted in a chic matte black finish with its original container end doors swung wide to reveal a full wall of floor-to-ceiling glass bedroom doors. A minimalist light wood deck extends along the side, flanked by geometric concrete paver walkways and lush forest green surroundings. 7. The contemporary yard shed container with integrated pergola. Perfect for a modern backyard retreat, this dark gray container home features a warm wooden deck covered by a sleek timber slat pergola. Large glass patio doors showcase an organized interior bookshelf, while the wooden platform is styled with woven rattan lounge chairs, vibrant yellow plant pots, and manicured hedge borders. 8. The full timber-wrapped two-story woodland container. Completely disguising its steel core, this two-story container home is entirely wrapped in natural vertical wood siding that fits effortlessly into a dense autumn forest setting. Black frame double glass doors lead onto both lower and upper balconies, creating a serene, eco-friendly cabin vibe that maximizes vertical space. 9. The off-grid elevated double container villa with pavilion roof. Raised on low-impact concrete piers in an open landscape, this expansive design combines multiple containers into an airy indoor-outdoor sanctuary. Folding metal awning doors open up the living areas, while a central upper deck is sheltered by a dramatic wooden slat pavilion roof, offering panoramic views of nature. 10. The boho chic tropical container lounge. Transformed into an inviting tropical haven, this dark container features a floor-to-ceiling glass sliding wall that leads onto a multi-tiered dark wood deck. The interior is decorated with warm ambient lighting, mid-century leather furnishings, and art, framed externally by lush palm foliage, hanging ferns, and large potted tropical plants. As we have seen through these incredible 10 designs, small shipping container house design is far more than just a temporary trend. It is a smart, flexible, and eco-friendly way to create a high-end living space tailored to your exact needs. By combining raw industrial steel shells with warm natural wood cladding, expansive glass, and functional outdoor decks, you can achieve a unique home that delivers on both style and sustainability without breaking the bank. Which of these top 10 container home ideas was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more daily architectural design ideas and home inspiration, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Better Homes Designs, and click the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.